welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LTZ back today with another mukbang. So, y'all, today I ordered DoorDash again and I got On the Border, okay? I'm too excited. It's hot, it's fresh, I'm ready to eat. So, before we get into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Also, turn your post notification bell so you be notified when I drop a video. And give me a big old thumbs up for this video, you know what I'm saying? Because it's already bomb before I even get started, you know? So, we're gonna get the technical stuff out the way, then we're gonna dig in, okay? I guess I'll be back. Let me set up. I'll be back. Amen. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna dig in. So today on the menu, you know, you got your chips and salsa. I have some chicken fajita tacos, you know, with the onions and all that good stuff. Refried beans and some Mexican rice. All the fixings on the side. And for the drink today, we have Red Owl's hard apple cider. Yes, we do. You wanna know why? Because it's my business. Yes, Lord. It's my business. We're gonna put that up there though. We're gonna put that back here though. That's what we're gonna do. Alright. So we done prayed. We done took a thumbnail. So we just gonna dig on in. We'll put that right there. I know y'all can't see. I got the lights a little bright today. It's a little dark up in here. You know, fajita, they're not this big, are they? Let me get my. It got to get my spoon. Or should I got a fork? You know what? At this point, it don't even matter. At this point. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Bam, just like that. Like so, like that. Do I want to put rice and beans on here, y'all? Or no? No? Okay, bet. So we gonna get some of this. Dang, they need to put another bowl in it. These little what is it? Teaspoon scoops of. I may regret that later. All right, guac, come on. Just like that. Like so, like that. Yes, with a little sauce. A little sauce. So this how we looking. That's how that taco looking right there. Yes, Lord. We gonna close this bad boy up like this, and we're gonna take a bite. Y'all, here y'all go. Whoa, dripping. Yes. How was it? Y'all, this here. This is some good stuff. Baby, when I say good, man, oh man. This is bomb, y'all. They didn't cut up the guac. Mm, mm, mm. I don't think I've ever been quiet. I don't think I've ever been this quiet on a video. I haven't had On the Border in so long, and I missed it. I did. I did good today. I sure did. This was a good choice, LaTerickaA. Yes. Yeah, I love me a good chips and salsa. Girl. Oh my gosh. What do y'all do with this sauce? These chips. Oh my goodness. Mm-hmm. Good stuff. Okay, anywho. So happy, what's today, y'all? Let me put the sauce on first. What is today? Today is Thursday. Happy Throwback Thursday. What up, though? We're gonna put some rice this time. What up, though? How's everybody Thursday going? Let me tell you something. Ooh, excuse me. Yesterday, y'all? Yesterday, I thought it was Tuesday up until a good 4:30. 4:30. The day is over with. I thought the whole day was Tuesday. I forgot what made me look, and I was like, wait, yo, today is Wednesday. What have you been doing? What have you been thinking? Why did you think today was Tuesday? I don't know. But anywho, today has been all right for me, I shall say. Oh, this is going to be a big one. It's been all right. I've been a little emotional, and I think it's just stress. That's all. Y'all know how that is. You know, randomly you may start crying or something just because just the stress is catching up. That's all. But other than that, I'm having a bomb day. And after this meal, On the Border done turned it around. Let me get a little sip. Now, I was supposed to go work out today. But since I done started drinking, I said, you know what? Myself said, what? I said, you might as well just work out tomorrow morning or something. Because you finna drink today. I said, Self, you know what? You right. So that's what we're doing today. We're drinking. And then I am going to go skating. You know, it's adult night. Today's Thursday. Every Thursday night and Sunday night, it's adult night at the skating rink. So I plan on going today. You know, I have to get all my adult stuff out of the way first before I have fun. You know what I'm saying? Business first, you play later. So, if I finish everything like I'm supposed to, I'm gonna head up to the skating ring and get my roll bounce on for a couple hours, and I'm gonna come home and go to sleep. Y'all, I don't know what's been going on with my sleep pattern, but like last night, baby, I didn't get up. No, I didn't get up. No, I didn't go to sleep until 3 o'clock. Like, I don't have to be at work at 6 o'clock every morning. Like, and who was late today was me. Yeah, I ain't clocking in until 8:30. 8:30 a.m. But the thing with my job, we have flex schedule. So we can come in from 6 to 8:30. Then you get an 11 minute grace period. So at 8:41, I'm sorry, you have up until 8:41 to clock in. Anything after that, you consider late. So I was good. I clocked in at 8:30 on the dot. And the only reason I don't like clocking in so late is that means you gotta stay later. You know, if you clock in at 6 a.m., baby, you off at 2:30. I am. I'm off at 2:30 on the dot. But then, you clock in at 8:30, you don't get off until 5. You see the difference? 2:35, 2:35. Come 5 o'clock, by the time you finish doing what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? For instance, me, gotta clean up around the house. By the time I finish that, it's gonna be a good, cause I'm deep clean, it's gonna be a good 8 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? You know, you take breaks and stuff like that. So, that's it. My day over with. It's nighttime. At that point in time, it's time for me to get ready for the following day. You know what I'm saying? The next day of work. Whereas getting up at 2:30, baby, you done by the time. See, let me tell you something. Let me put y'all on game real quick. You do 2:30. You do 6 to 2:30. You get off work. You handle your business. You know what I'm saying? And then come 5 o'clock, when everybody getting out work, it's time for happy hour. And that's when you go and you hit up happy hour. You have your fun, your shindig, whoop de whoop for 2 hours. Then you feeling good, and you know what I'm saying? You just finish the rest of your night. Because, you know, happy hours be over by 7 o'clock. And then some places, they do reverse happy hour. So you can go, you know, go to a happy hour, do your thug thistle, go hang out somewhere else. And then come 9 o'clock, you can get back to doing happy hour, 9 to 11. So putting y'all on game is telling my business. So my business is, that's what I do. I would get off, you know, before the pandemic happened, I used to be at the happy hours faithfully, okay? Trying all kinds. I'm in Dallas, y'all. Y'all know how many happy hours out here? How many places? I've been here all my life. I stay doing stuff, y'all. And I still haven't put a dent in the number of establishments that I can hit in Dallas. You know? And they always building. There's always new ones. But yeah, anywho, that's why I like to get off early, so I can handle my business, but still, and then still have my night to chill. You know what I'm saying? Not get off work, have to clean, cook, grocery shop, or whatever, and then be done at 8 o'clock, and only have the hour or so to chill and, you know, watch TV and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? One of these days, I'm going to do an at-home happy hour. I'm going to go live with y'all once I get my following up. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Because your girl is getting up there, though. I am. I think I'm at What am I at? 370? No, am I at 370? Yeah, I honestly don't even know at this point. I'm at 360. I'm trying to get to 1,000 before my birthday. My birthday is September 30th, so help me out. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You know, also share. Tell your people about me. Tell your people to come check me out. Share this page. Follow me on IG and share that too. You know what I'm saying? And that will be in the description box down below too. Y'all think I'm gonna get flagged for having? I don't have enough people to get flagged, huh? Like, can you post? Can you? I don't even know. I didn't think about that. I'm gonna put that over there. Come back to that after this. Hey, you. Comment down below right now a lime green emoji or a smiley face if you are still here with me right now. Do that for your girl. Because your girl is going to leave. I'll tell you that much. I have, what, 2 left? To this here, this is dinner. You know, I got to stretch this out. I'm going to buy 1 meal today. Not doing no cooking. So I got 2 left. And we're going to say that for dinner. Move that to the side. Move that to the front. You already know how I do. Quick little videos, you know. Getting you a little something to watch, you know, on this beautiful Thursday afternoon. But I'm about to head out, so you already know what to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Also, please turn your post notification bell so you be notified when I drop a video. And give me a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you didn't enjoy this video, don't give me a thumbs down. Just move on to that next video in the corner. But I do appreciate everyone that does tune in and watches your girl on a daily. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate everyone that comments. I love responding and seeing comments pop up on my phone. I'm like, ooh, somebody left me a comment. You know what I'm saying? It's always positive. I have come across a few negative ones, but you already know what I do with them. I just boot them out. But anywho, I'm gonna go. You know, it's LTZ in the building, and I'm signing out.